Different materials can be used for a range of purposes. This is shown in the traditional Aboriginal culture, where the Aborigines were able to make a range of items to suit their everyday needs. Let's take a look at how they use natural materials to make these items. Many years ago, Aboriginal Australians solely inhabited the land. They had no access to modern resources, so they had to use the natural materials they could find around them. Amongst the tribes, there were various different tools to help them hunt and prepare food. The women of the tribe would collect plant matter from around them. This was then carried back to the tribe in a dilly bag. A dilly bag is made out of a woolen blanket thread and secured with a knotted handle. The woman would then sling the bag over her shoulder, and then upon returning use a grinding stone to release the seeds from the plant cuttings. These would then be used for cooking purposes. The men of the tribe would also catch wild animals for everyone to eat. To do this, they would use axes made from pieces of hard rock attached to the wooden handle. They were also used to make canoes, shelters, and as defensive tools. The animals caught would then be prepared to eat using a lyra blade. A lyra blade was a small sharp piece of stone chipped from a larger rock. As well as land animals such as kangaroos, the Aborigines also ate fish and other sea creatures. To catch these, a man and a woman would use a bark canoe to sit in the water. The man would stand behind the woman using a fishing spear, and she would sit using a small line. To prepare and cook their meals, the women would make an oven using a shovel. This shovel was made from hollowing a piece of wood and had multiple other purposes. As we can see, Aboriginal Australians used a range of materials to transport, prepare and cook food. Some of this equipment had multiple functions in order to make transportation simple and ensure that they could withstand everyday life.